Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for clicking on the video. Something I've been meaning to do for a little while now. Yeah, you might think I'm a bit late in the game, but I'm always on time, okay? And you've seen it in the title. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a colour hair wax on my hair. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm the natural that even before I was natural, I wanted to be blonde. I don't know why. I just think it's something about Beyonce. When I look at her and see her blonde hair, I want it. So many of you have seen different people in the public eye who are women of colour and they have lovely golden blonde hair and you think, yeah, I can do that as well. This is my attempt at having blonde hair. Yeah, I did kitchen you beautician at home and it didn't really turn out that blonde. It was more like burnt orange. I'm going to be attempting to colour my hair kind of a golden blondish colour. So if you want to see how I get on with this or if it's an epic fail, carry on watching. Anyway, I have had a little sneak peek, but I wanted to do it unboxing for you. So this is the brand I ordered. The Moffajan kind of is in most of people's videos, so I thought, what could go wrong? So the reason for me using orange is because I initially was going to order the golden yellowy colour, thinking that it would just literally make my hair blonde, but I saw lots of videos and actually on the video people's hair looked a little bit green, like a yellowy green colour, and I thought, not happening to me. And I hope to God this looks cool because anyway, we are going to see. So let's have a look at the colour, okay? I haven't opened this part yet. Bit excited. Okay, so let's take the seal off. Oh, come on. Let me open this thing. Wow. This really looks like. Alrighty, let's have a look. Oh, look at that richness. That does look really orange. Yeah. Oh, and it smells really nice. It's, I don't even know, but it smells like a hair product. It doesn't smell very waxy because I didn't want that wax smell in my hair. The instructions with the granny eyes, okay? Right, okay, so bearing in mind it's from China, so you know, they may not be giving the best of grammatical sense here, and we are going to see. So it says usage. After the net hair, take a small amount of mud. This is mud now. In the palm of your hand, circle rub in uniform, try to get on your finger, and then gently pull the finger form from the hair root, from the bottom up to the smear evenly. Whatever that means. I don't know what that means. Okay, they go on to say, not to hurt the hair, easily to wash. Natural stereotypes are not rigid. This product is a one-time hair colour, water-soluble, non-greasy, natural matte. So I'm expecting to have a non-greasy, water-soluble, matte finish. Okay. It's lasting and shaping strong shape. Don't know what that means. Do you know? I don't know. Bring hair shiny and unique personality. So this is supposed to bring out my personality. Okay, the ingredients, which is the most important thing. It's got aqua in. Thank God for that. So it's going to be moisturising, I'm hoping. It's got mica, which is the colouring. Glycerol, see, I don't know this now. No, I don't know this. Alcohol. Hey. Titania, hey. Getting worse. Peg 4. Hydrogenated castor oil. Okay then. Alcohol again. Oh Lord. We are hoping that this does not dry my hair out and it gives no damage to the hair because I am actually on a hair challenge right now and I don't need it to mess up the hair challenge. Right, so it doesn't tell me to wash my hair or whether it's better on dry hair or wet hair. But what I am going to do is do what so many other content creators have done. And I'm just going to wash my hair because, to be quite frank, I have got a lot of oil on my hair. If you don't know about this hair growth challenge that I'm currently on, that so many of you are on as well, I will link a card up here and put it in the description bar. The weather in the UK is doing mighty fine for my hair. in this challenge. I'm really, really pleased about that. I'm going to give my hair a wash and deep condition, and then I'm going to come back. Okay, so I'm back now. I've washed my hair. I used the Amari Me Black African soap, broccoli seed oil and sandalwood to cleanse and thoroughly clean my hair. Look at this. Oh, that goodness. And then I went ahead and deep conditioned my hair with this lavender quench deep conditioner, which is a mask, and I absolutely love this. Right, let's get on with this because I'm excited. Now, because I'm on this hair growth challenge, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my scalp. And I also think I would be crazy if I didn't put some kind of a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizer on my hair, because I'm going to put this stuff straight on my hair. That would be crazy. So I don't want my hair to dry out. I am going to be putting some of the Mel's Buttermilk cream on my hair just to make sure I have some kind of moisture protecting my hair strands. I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know why, I'm just nervous. Whenever I'm doing anything with my hair, you know, I get a little nervous. Oh, Jesus. I think this is the time where I start to pray. What do you reckon? So I'm just going to wrap this lot up and then I'm going to pray. Jesus. Okay, so from what I've seen of other people's videos, they've taken a reasonable dollop. All right, let's go. All right, it's nothing. This. I'm lost for words. Oh, I hope this doesn't go bad. Oh, it's rubbing nicely. Right, we're just gonna do it. Oh, hello. I know some people's hair was actually soaking wet and I didn't want to do that, but maybe I should wet my hair down. I don't know. I'm just going to do the sandwich hands and sandwich, oh boy, sandwich this in my hair. Did I really want orange? Oh, I don't know. Oh, that looks pretty blonde. Let's have a look. Oh yes, the theory is right. Put orange on dark hair, it makes it look blonde. Hey! Getting excited, but I think I might need a little bit more. What do you reckon? I'm just gonna take a little bit more. I'm not gonna go crazy. Let's just work it in the hair. I'm not gonna go from the roots. I kind of want an ombre kind of look. Oh, what's happened there in the roots? Oh well. Right, smoothing it down. I hope this doesn't mess up my curl pattern. We shall see, eh? No, we got curls. A little bit looser than I imagined, but that's a nice golden colour. Oh, love it. Hello, Beyonce. Hey, shut. Right, okay, I'm just going to speed this part up because I'm getting excited and I can't be bothered to talk. Okay, so, can you see? This ain't bad. Let me just turn down the light a little bit. This is what it really looks like. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to see what it looks like once it's dry. So now let's talk about the curl pattern, as my hair is about 60% dry. Curls look good. The curls are popping. Look at the curls. Right from the root. Curls looking good. Oh, I wonder what my husband's gonna say. Anyway, let this thing dry and then I'll come back later. Okay, the hair is completely dry and it's not bad. It dried really nice. Let me draw you close up. I mean, the colour, it kind of looks natural because I've like left my roots. It looks like I've actually had it done in this salon. Look at the curls, they look amazing. Look at ones like this that have got like a highlighted effect. Love it. Look at the curls here, they look so nice. The only thing I'm not happy about it, if I'm completely honest, is the back. Now the back of my hair is a little bit of a different texture, and it kind of looks like straw. Yeah, scarecrow hair. It's, as you can see, look, it looks really bad. Granted, I think my ends need a little bit of a trim, but it's kind of it's really frizzy here. Apart from that, I'm kind of happy. So it hasn't ruined my curl pattern. Check. It doesn't look streaky. Double check. Oh my goodness. Hey, Beyonce, you got nothing on me. Not really, not really. I'm just kidding, okay. So I'm just gonna get the desired volume that I want. Okay, so I haven't quite finished yet, and one of the reasons why I stopped where I am now, but I wanted to stop there because I know I could get some more stretch out of my hair by banding it, making it a little bit longer, but the amount of transfer, look at my hands, they look shiny orange, it's like a glow, just to prove it. So I'm going to show you how much transfer. I've got a wet wipe here. Look at that. That is going to come off on my clothes if I was wearing white or a different colour. And this would also, oh, okay, well, look at the afro comb as well. Yeah, that's the only thing that I don't like about it. It's great for changing up your look. Actually, this hair wax gets a big fat thumbs up from me, because at least I'm not bleaching out my hair to have like an instant, you know, new look. Different colour. Tomorrow I could be red, maybe next time I'll be blue, and if the next day I feel like going back to my natural colour, I can just rinse it out. Honestly guys, I think this is a great way to change up your look and, you know, have fun with your hair. So guys, let me know, what do you think? Does it look natural, or does it look like I've just sprayed my hair with paint? So lastly, I want to say thank you to those of you who entered the giveaway, the 10k giveaway. Thank you so much to so many of you. My new followers on Instagram. If you got a DM from me, you will know who you are. Thank you so much for entering. Thank you so much to so many of you who have supported me along this journey thus far. If you didn't get a DM from me, count it as no, you didn't win. Look, it's not my fault, okay? I just picked somebody out of the hat. Anyway guys, I'm going now. Don't forget to smash the like button because it really helps my videos out. And remember, God really loves you. You take care and God bless you. Bye.